How to protect your private files and documents on iPhone 8 Plus. If you want to lock the Files app or specific folders with Face ID, you should know that iPhone 8 Plus does not have this feature. The option to lock apps with Face ID is available only on newer iPhones with newer iOS versions. However, you can still protect your files by securing your iPhone with a passcode. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now tap on Turn Passcode On and create a strong passcode for your iPhone. After setting up a passcode, anyone trying to access your iPhone or the files stored inside the Files app will need to enter the correct passcode. You can also use the built-in privacy features available in apps like Notes to lock individual notes containing sensitive information. While iPhone 8 Plus cannot directly lock the Files app, securing your device with a passcode and using Apple's built-in locking features can help keep your private information protected. So that's how you can protect your files and documents on iPhone 8 Plus. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step guides.